Do you ever feel like you're stuck in this loop where you wake up, code for someone else, and repeat this every day of your life? I used to think being a dev meant freedom, but more I looked around, the more I realized most of us are just stuck in our jobs. Last year alone, over 200,000 developers were laid off. And on the platforms like Indie Hackers, 90% of the dev side projects never even hit $500 a month. Most developers never actually escape 9 to 5. And honestly, I think I know why. We have always been told that this job is secure, high paying, respected, but I've seen people way more skilled than me getting laid off from big companies, small startups. It doesn't matter. One algorithm change, one round of funding gone, and boom, you are out. And then suddenly it hits you like we are not really as secure as we would like to be. We are not really in control. We are just comfortable. This job is just giving us like a fake sense of security, and we have entered our comfort zone and we are not able to get out of this comfort zone. So like everyone else, I tried building a side project. I spent weeks on it. This project was looking great, but no one actually used it, no feedback, no growth. And that's when it clicked. Building something cool is not enough. I wasn't solving a problem people actually had, and I was scared to launch early because it wasn't perfect. Truth is, a lot of devs get stuck here. I'm not alone. They keep rebuilding, redesigning, and never actually get to the point where it's ready to launch. After building some products that actually didn't go well, I started noticing something. The people who actually make it work, they do things differently. They build tiny tools that solve very specific problems. Most of the projects that end up doing well look very boring, they look simple, but because they are actually solving someone's problem, they still work. They are able to talk to users, they are able to offer real value in their business or daily lives. So what I learned from all this experience is to not focus on flashy things, not focus on things that are talk of the day, and focus on building something that solves a real specific problem for the user. So what exactly I'm doing now? Lately I've been changing how I think. I stopped chasing big complex ideas. I'm trying to focus on real small problems. I'm just bringing projects faster to life, faster in front of the users to get some actual feedback. And honestly, I'm still figuring it out. But this idea feels way more real than just hoping for a raise or waiting for a better job. So I'm just a dev like you who is trying to break free. If you're trying to stick around, I'll be sharing everything I try, what works, what flops, because maybe together we can be part of 1% that actually make it.